And the third topic is, now this is something that a lot of you might be interested into. Okay, and I'm sure everybody has an opinion on this. And the topic is schools and universities should remain shut during COVID times.
I agree that it should be shut.
Aditya says
मुझे नहीं
shouldn't.
लगता
Ayush says
कि
should.
उन्हें
I agree with Ayush over here that the universities and schools should remain shut because they were shut, we were able to learn more things like life mein ho ya whatever it is. We learned more things than just schools and universities.
पर तुम्हें वो
I
छोड़ना पड़ रहा है
totally
ना
second
सीखने के लिए
Samriddhi on that.
I'm quite happy with
Okay.
learning. Like I'm dropping with that, but my point is that it should be like school and colleges should be closed during pandemic or like this COVID thing, because even parliament is not working, even high courts are not working. They are also doing all their administration work and everything virtually. So even schools and colleges can go virtually. Right now, we are also studying and learning virtually.
So Ayush
We
says
are-
that we need
we
to
are-
make
we
it
are
virtual,
meeting-
make it online, and that's how
we are
schools and college
meeting
universities.
friends, roaming outside, so doesn't count like
I
COVID
didn't
doesn't count.
understand. Can you repeat?
Aditya's,
Aditya? Can you repeat?
Aditya's point is that we are meeting our friends, we are roaming out, all that is justified, but the moment we get it closer to studying or education, we want to run away from that.
Yeah, because like when we are meeting our friends, we know वो लोग कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, whatever it is. But when we are going to a university, we don't know कि कहाँ से वो लोग आ रहे हैं.
I never meet 40 of my friends in 1 hour or 6 hours. I never meet 40 of my friends. I meet at least one or
That's a
two, or
very good point.
maximum 3 to 4 points.
Ayush's point is pretty well justified here that he does not, he thinks that 40, he does not meet 40 friends at one go. What does anyone have any comeback for that?
Everyone in my classroom is not my friend. I am forced to sit over there with everybody. Maybe 10 of there are friends, 20 of them are my friends, but everyone other else is not my friend.
Yes, I agree with Ayush. Like in universities and colleges, there are thousands of students. So in the pandemic, so it's not a wise move to open universities and colleges. So I agree with Ayush.
Okay, Gaurav wants to speak.
Corona doesn't think
I'm not
about the
in
number
favor
you are
of
meeting.
university shutdown during this pandemic because the environment and the situation, like physical environment universities provide, that is not like completely in the online mode. Like what students do, they are getting 90% of marks, they are getting 95%.
So it's the fault from the college side. Even they are so educated, they had so much of money to create some other of the platforms to give education, but it's their fault. It's not the student fault that they are getting 90%.
Hiren, come in.
It is
Yeah.
the
So,
lottery of the
am I
students.
audible, sir? Okay. So, I have two options for that. I believe universities can be shut, but schools, I am not sure. I am not very sure because all these people are talking from students' point of view, but nobody is understanding that teachers are not well versed going online. So we have to take into consideration how well versed our teachers are to make study students online. So are they capable enough or not? You don't know because
Even
at
students
this
are
point-
not everybody has the capability,
Absolutely.
but the teachers teachers who are teaching,
I should understand
most
students are
of the
of
teachers-
a lower age, so they can adapt. The adaptability
Yes,
factor for
yes,
students is much higher
exactly.
than the teachers who are 40-50 years. So how
But
can
what
you
I am
expect
talking
them
about
to
it, that
just in just
it's
few
the
months
change.
just
It's a change
so
of nature. It's the change of nature. Change is the
absolutely
only
not,
thing which is
absolutely not,
constant,
but you have to
and you have to
understand.
change with
Okay,
the
let's hear
outer
out
environment.
Tejal. Let's hear out Tejal. Let's hear out Tejal. Tejal wants to speak.
So
Tejal.
I am also against this. What is the thing is like we are privileged. We are getting internet connection. We are accessible, but not everyone has this access. Not
So
all
who
the
doesn't
students
have
are
an
getting
access
this
to
access.
internet? Who doesn't have an access to internet? They might be having 10 lakh
Let's hear
rupees
out.
for
Let's
their
hear out.
5 months.
Ayush,
Like
let's
in
hear out
rural
Tejal
areas,
first. Let's hear out
Ayush,
Tejal.
can you let others speak?
Yeah.
in
Let's
rural
first let's
areas,
hear
not
out.
everyone has an access. So what I would suggest is coming up with system like alternate days or something having classes instead of completely shutting
Mhm.
everything. And like the education system is getting
Okay.
pampered by this. Not students are not getting to learn things. They're not being able to concentrate.
We've got some interesting point of views. As of now, I really enjoyed one of Hiren's very interesting point of view is that Hiren says that uh, it might be fine for universities, but not so much for schools because children and the bigger challenge is for the teachers because for teachers to adapt to something like that is obviously a little harder than students. Like for example, as a child you can learn a new language very fast, but as an adult, if I ask you now learn Chinese, it's going to be really hard. Okay, so that's something which is very common and which is kind of interesting. That is the point that Hiren has put up. Um, Post that, like that is one thing that do you guys actually believe in this? That for example, um, when it comes to schools, it should be allowed to go, whereas on universities it's still fine to stay online. Is that one of the things that is there? And secondly, I really want to put one other fundamental here is how would exams take place? 12th boards have been cancelled. For the past 2 years, I'm seeing people not really going. Like for some people who have probably even gone to IIMs, they're just sitting and doing like studying online, which isn't it as good as learning from Udemy perhaps?
Does that make
Let's first of all let's hear out some of the other people who didn't get a chance. Ayush, we'll come back to you then. We'll start with Prem. Prem wanted to speak. Prem has his hand up for quite a while.
Sir, I don't want to go deep into this topic. I just want to tell one thing. Last year during the last wave, Andhra government conducted exam for 12th students. Do you know one thing after that? 24 cases where all students, 12 students exam conducted. What would you say if something like that happens again?
24 cases came up.
24,000.
Okay. That's a good enough point. Shivam?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to say that schools and colleges and especially schools should be shut during these times because as young we were not really concerned about our lives. Like जब हम जवान होते हैं तो we used to think यार ऐसे मतलब अभी कहाँ ही ऐसा कुछ लिखा है अभी कहाँ we'll get died. And those students like in schools students are hard to control. वो दोस्तों से मिलेंगे ही और वो जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं वो ब्रेक होंगे. It is really natural. And वही students बाद में घर आएंगे and their parents would probably they would get COVID. Okay, so schools have to shut down.
So very very interesting point. Very interesting point. But very very good point by Shivam that jitna sensible as adults we are, school students are not that understanding. They will definitely break the protocols. Teachers cannot be present every time there. Not only will they catch it, but they will spread it around with their friends. Also will take it home and other people might get COVID positive. Actually, a very, very good point brought in by
amazing
Shivam.
Amazing point by Shivam.
Anyone wants to counter that?
I'm in the favor of this. For a school student, it might be not that compatible. For university, like there are very few things like grooming. When for one day we go to our classroom in universities, we groom ourselves, we get ready, and that is the power of our you taught in the communication master class as well. How much our personal grooming matters when we are interacting with any person. Like in online exams, students got 90% of marks, but that didn't matter. The person who was getting only 50% marks and the person didn't
what are
learn
you
everything.
saying? What are you saying, Gaurav? Are you saying that that's the reason people should go to school?
Not in terms of it maintains our discipline. When we are attending offline, it maintains our discipline.
No, so is it for or against? Like for should people go to schools or not go to schools and universities?
Yeah, universities. I'm in the favor of universities. Universities must be open during this time because universities have so much of benefits. So, because I just graduated 5 months back.
Interesting point put in by Gaurav. Gaurav says that universities must be schools and universities must be active because when, for example, universities, there's an interesting point here as well. So, for example, in universities, you might be, you're just going there for knowledge. But in schools specifically, you're not just learning how, you're just not just learning subjects. You're also learning far more other things as well. Ayush, I'll come to you, but before that, let's go to Harmanjot, who's been raising his hand for quite a while.
So yeah, Gaurav has a good point. Like in university, most of the students are mature. I say all of them. so they can maintain the social distancing and the proper protocol of the exams. So it's possible for that, but not in the schools, because as we know, in schools we are not going only to learn, we are going to have some fun, and in that age it's like a human psychology, we don't follow the protocols exactly, but in the universities it's possible, because the majority majority of the students are mature.
Okay, Ayush wants to go. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I would like to put light or shadow on such one thing which most of us ignored this our whole life is the mental health, the thing which goes in our houses. Like I'm also a college student. Like if I'm going to a college, there is some crisis going out in the world, I can hear ambulances in every 5-10 minutes running on the roads from my home only and from my colleges, and there might be someone on the deathbed or maybe on ventilator in my home or in my relatives or maybe my friend. So I won't be mentally happy to work or to study or learn, because this time needs compassion. It doesn't requires money for or maybe time for career. I think 6 months, 1 year, 2 year can wait, because if you are not going to live that career, that learnings from universities is not going to make any sense.
So basically, what I wanted to say, I agree with Ayush over here. That's what I was going to say. Like recently in Delhi, my own Nana ji, he passed away because my younger sister, she used to go to school, and she caught COVID and she brought COVID to home. Like in the same case scenario, like my mom, she usually is not well. तो मेरा कैसा होता है कि when university started, I stayed home so that I don't infect my mama with that. तो उसमें कैसा होता है कि वो तो बची थी, she doesn't know where to go. And अब फैमिली में जब डेथ हुई है, I would be like scared because मेरी सिस्टर की वजह से वो चीज हुआ है. I would not want to go to university over here.
So Samriddhi supports Ayush, saying that mental health is a major thing. We're all going through trauma, and at that point of time, you're asking people to work and to be educated. It's not the right environment and not the right time for all these things. Yeah, Aditya, you wanted to speak up.
हाँ सर, मुझे लगता है कि ये बात है, मतलब मेंटल ट्रॉमा है तो नहीं करना चाहिए, बट उसके लिए पॉज भी लो, मतलब ऑनलाइन मत करो. अभी हमारे वर्चुअल लैब हो रहे हैं, हम केमिकल इंजीनियर होने वाले हैं, और वर्चुअल लैब से क्या ही होगा, मतलब हमें नॉलेज ही नहीं है कि एक्चुअल रिएक्शन कैसे हो रहा है, एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा है. कल हम अगर इंडस्ट्री जाते हैं काम करने, तो क्या हमें वर्चुअल लैब फिर से देखेंगे कि वो ऐसे ऐसे था, पर हमें देखा ही नहीं था क्या कलर क्या आ रहा है.
Very interesting point.
I think that situation can be solved by getting equipments and all the chemicals at home, or maybe it can be done by area-wise area. There can be a midway with that. I am against opening up the school and the universities, but I am not against learning and the education. Education and learning can be continued without gathering up to a single space physically. Online things can be done. You can bring your own chemicals.
How can we resolve the problem? Aditya,
You can,
Aditya put up one thing. Gaurav, you wanted to speak something. Yeah.
I would like to add one point, sir. I have added also in my presentation as well. I was the part of Mahindra Baha competition. If you know that competition, it is a mechanical engineering. We need to build our car, and where in that you learn team bonding, you learn leadership, you learn how to deal with stress, frustration, how you raise fund, and how you take your team to the next level. So these things cannot be done online, because this is totally hard work. We used to do 8 to 10 hours of work every single day physically on manufacturing, by learning welding, by learning how to bend pipes, how to like measure the pressure, how to do every kind of experiment. So these things can't be done
Very interesting.
online.
What is the, like, is there a middle ground, or no, we have to come to schools or
I
universities?
think
Like, is there a middle ground? Any solution to this? Anyone has a
अगर-
solution?
पॉज करना चाहिए यूनिवर्सिटी,
Yeah,
मतलब
exactly.
ऑनलाइन
We can-
लर्निंग पॉज कर दो थोड़ी देर के लिए. 1 साल डिग्री लेट मिलेगी, 1 साल पूरा देश ही पीछे चल रहा है, 1 साल तो कोई इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं.
What if COVID never gets fixed? What if the vaccines are not effective enough? We get to know that. Like, what then? Yeah, bolo Ayush.
Online we cannot do anything. Like
I'm from an event field. So if all you know our definition of events. Every event has a gathering of minimum to minimum 400, 500 or 200 people. It can be a corporate event, it can be a wedding, it can be a concert or anything. There are at least 200 to 500 people. That limit is not there. So even the industries have gone to the flush that nobody is earning a single penny. Hotels are on road, they are not earning even the amount a dhaba earns in this time. They are not earning even that. So we can't go against the things which are not in control of any of the human. What we can do is, if you have to make a car, you need a team. You can make a team in your area, you can make a team in your city, you can get all those parts from your city and you can make it online, and you can present your presentation online to the jury or to the judges, and everybody can do the same thing. You don't need to be there to make a car. 5 people can, if there is a team of 5, you can make this in your own city.
Yeah, I would like to
Ayush,
add one
my
point
course
here.
is of more internship. Like I have one academic trimester, then internship trimester, alternate. So
Yeah.
now industries are not allowing us to get into internship. So what we can do, like we should
Everything is not has to be done by the students or the citizen of the country. Some of the things has to be done by the government, and these solutions can be solved, these problems can be solved by the government if they are willing to do so. So you should ask them and request
Got it.
them, or you
That's it,
should
that's it.
show them.
One point, sir, I would like to add here.
No other point. Just everyone mute for a second, because we are now going to get into the last topic. This is going to be short, so everybody jump in right away. No raising of hands, just jump in, okay?